Azure Cloud Shell is an interactive shell and that can be accessed to the web browser for managing Azure resources. It provides the flexibility for choosing a shell-based experience and portal as well at the same time. Linux users can opt for a bash experience, while Windows users can opt for a PowerShell experience. Cloud Shell enables access to browser-based command line experience built into the Azure Management Portal. You can leverage Cloud Shell to work undisturbed from a local machine in a way only the cloud can provide. There are several advantages and features that Cloud Shell has. The Cloud Shell is temporary and requires a new or existing Azure file share to be mounted. It offers an integrated graphical text editor based on the open source Monaco editor. You do not have to authenticate yourselves again and again every time you launch Cloud Shell because it authenticates automatically for instant access to your resources. Cloud Shell is a temporary host provided on a per session, per user basis. For security purposes, Cloud Shell will time out after 20 minutes without any interactive activity. Cloud Shell requires its own resource group. It has its own storage account and an Azure file share. Cloud Shell will use the same Azure file share for both Bash and PowerShell. It is assigned one machine per user account. The permissions for Cloud Shell are set as a regular Linux user in Bash. In the next video, let's look at the demonstration for Cloud Shell and understand how it works practically.